Hi, my name is Alan Taylor, and I am the CEO and founder of PrintHub.com, and I am looking for $800,000 in equity capital. PrintHub is an all-encompassing online print shop based in San Francisco, servicing startup as well as already existing businesses. Our mission is to revolutionize the print industry by moving virtually all processes online. Our website acts as a portal where business owners can quickly and inexpensively design business stationery such as business cards, brochures, business forms, and much, much more. The website architecture employed by the site gives the user an unparalleled ability to create and customize unique and professional-looking stationery. By automating and enhancing the print order process and connecting our online print services to carefully selected print vendors, we believe, based on our experience, that we can significantly reduce costs and inefficiencies. The commercial print industry was estimated at $76 billion in 2008 in the United States alone. 92% of business was done through local print shops, leaving the online print market virtually untapped. Through lower costs, a wider variety of products, and increased user interactivity, we will draw more businesses to online printing. PrintHub is already the market leader in online printing. Last year, we achieved a net profit of $180,000. We're growing fast, and in order to secure our position as market leader, we are expanding operations and launching a multi-platform marketing campaign. By year 3, we have a projected profit of $1.3 million. We have a clear-cut and detailed strategy in order to achieve these projections and an experienced team to implement them. More details can be found in our business plan. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to hearing from you.